The Haitian Creole expression Pongongon means to be persistent in a way that is stubborn and annoying. So now listen to this example to hear how you would use this expression when you are speaking Haitian Creole.
Asnel, Asnel, mes ami aprele ou pran telefon nan nou. Bon, Island, ou gale pa kompran? Ou pa kompran? Magouye sa ou Pongongon, oui? Depi le ou te pran numéro téléphone mwen, se chaque jou aprele. En tout cas, m'pral bloquer numéro yo. Yo Pongongon tout wop.
Now, just the sound of the Haitian Creole expression Pongongon clearly conveys annoyance, redundance, just something that's just doesn't stop. And so that's the real meaning of it, to be persistent in a way that is often annoying. And that's all there is to it. So go ahead and use this expression. It's especially used in formal settings. So use it, of course, in the right context. For more videos like this, subscribe, and thanks for watching.